No blood tests, no doctor's visit. Approved for life insurance in under 10 minutes. That should sound like a scam.
But it isn't one. And understanding why is going to change how you think about getting covered.
Here's the thing nobody tells you up front. There is a catch, just not the one you're expecting.
Traditional life insurance sends a nurse to your home, draws blood, checks your urine, and waits weeks for lab results. Instant approval, or simplified issue, policies skip all of that. So what exactly are they checking instead?
They pull your prescription history, your driving record, and public health databases, all in real time.
Pause and think about that for a second. When's the last time you handed over this much data without even noticing?
It sounds invasive, but this is exactly what makes fast approval possible without a single needle.
Let's put real numbers on this. A $500,000 term policy through exam-based underwriting might run $40 a month. The instant approval version of that same policy could run $55 to $65. You're paying a premium for speed and simplicity. These are still fully licensed, state-regulated policies. Same legal payout obligations as any traditional policy you've heard of. But here's the open question. Is this actually the best option for everyone? Not quite. The real catch isn't that it's fake insurance. It's that your rate depends entirely on what your data trail says about you. If your digital footprint is clean and consistent, the algorithm approves you fast and at a great rate.
Someone with a fully documented health and driving history might get approved in 10 minutes at a strong rate class.
It sounds invasive, but this is exactly what makes fast approval possible without a single needle.
Let's put real numbers on this. A $500,000 term policy through exam-based underwriting might run $40 a month. The instant approval version of that same policy could run $55 to $65. You're paying a premium for speed and simplicity. They got a speed. We think you're balance cost. But someone with a thin file, gaps in records, or inconsistent data often gets bounced to manual review anyway. The speed you're promised depends on a data history most people never think to check.
This tends to favor younger applicants with a longer, cleaner digital record. It's not designed to fail anyone on purpose.
Beat. So should you trust instant approval life insurance? Here's the honest answer, not the sales pitch. If you're young, generally healthy, and your records are consistent, this format genuinely works in your favor.
If your history is complicated, you might still get approved, just not in the 10 minutes the ad promised.
So the catch from earlier isn't that it's a scam, it's that it's not a one-size-fits-all shortcut.
These policies exist because insurers found a faster way to assess risk, not because they lowered their standards.
Before applying to any instant approval policy, here's what's actually worth checking first.
1. What's the maximum coverage amount allowed without a medical exam? It's usually capped lower than traditional policies. 2. Does the policy include a conversion option, letting you switch to a fully underwritten policy later for a better rate?
3. Read the exclusions closely. Simplified issue policies sometimes limit payouts in the first 2 years. So instant approval isn't sketchy. It's just underwritten differently, using data instead of a needle. The real question was never, is this fake? It's, does this format actually fit you?
If this helped you understand what's actually happening behind that 10-minute approval, subscribe for more of these breakdowns.
And drop a comment. Would you trust a 10-minute approval, or do you want the full exam? I read every one.
If you're curious what your own instant approval quote might look like, there's a free, no obligation comparison link in the description below.